This is just a quick video. I'm quickly going to show you how to pull the headlight out of a Guilitetta to change the headlight bulbs. You can't do them in situ, it's awkward, and if you're putting the likes of these in, which is a common upgrade, the night eye LEDs, you can't fit them with all in one piece, they come in two pieces, which is a nightmare to try and fit in situ. So it's easiest just to pull the headlight out. First, jack the car up and throw your steering lock full right or full left. And these ones are Torx. This has been apart before. There's 3 screws. One side had Phillips in and this side's got Torx in, so I don't know what it is standard. 1, 2, 3. There's a Torx up here which unbolts it from the wing, so you can pull a bumper out to get the bolt. It's situated behind the bumper there. The other 10mm bolt is here, and it's a big Torx, TX50 Torx. Oh, don't drop that. TX50 Torx there and there to pull this bumper corner out and away enough to get the headlight out. So I'll quickly pull those bolts out. So once you've got the 3 bolts for the inner arch liner and the 1 bolt holding the wing to the bumper, and I need to touch that up, repair the wing at some point, but not in the winter. Just quickly grab the corner of the bumper up here, lift up a bit and pull. It'll pull it out and you should be able to see, there you go, that's the bolt there. That one. And then, so it's those 2 10mm, quickly undo them. Once you've got that bolt and that bolt out, 2 10mm, undo this T55, crack that off, and then crack this one off as well. Once you've got those out, you should be able to lift the bumper off the locating pegs and pull it forward a bit. You might have to undo this tag here. It's really hard to do with one hand. You should be able to move the bumper out. This bit I can't show because I need 2 hands to do it. Essentially pull the bumper forward and then the headlight locates into a peg through there, lift it up and up and back towards the back of the car while pulling the bumper forward, and the headlight should slide out. If you're doing the passenger side, you might have to undo the battery securing clamps and strap and move the battery over because it fouls the side of the headlamp where you want it to come out. So once you move the battery across as much as you can, you will be able to wiggle this out. Obviously battery's still in situ so you can see it's being done. Literally just grab, can't do it with one hand. The plug is held on with a grey clip which slides back. Slides back and then the plug will come off. Like that. Now you should be able to wiggle your headlight out. So these are the lights I'm putting in. They're the night eye LEDs, which is a common upgrade for the, well, a lot of cars with projectors, and especially the Alfas and Volvos that me and Kim have got. They are a lot brighter and they do give you a lot better sight, especially at night, because they're notoriously horrendous. So with these ones, they separate. So that's the body, the main body of the light, and that's the fitting, and that goes in to the hole and locates in the hole, clips in, which is pretty self-explanatory. So I'm not going to film it. So here we are. That's the light in. The little tag locates into the 2. Well, you'll see it when you look at it. Make sure the tag sits in and the light sits flush when you clip it in. With LEDs, this is an important bit. Make sure that you test them before you put the headlight all back together, because they only work. A lot of them only work a certain polarity or a certain way around the plug. So plug it in, test the light. If they work, hunky dory. If they don't, come back. So plug's that way. Say turn it. So it's that way. Plug it in. See if it works. So plugged it all back in. Headlight works. and then literally it's just a reverser putting it back together. Make sure the tags line up into the holes, and away you go.